Hey everyone, ever thought about how to make your apartment building a real moneymaker? Well, let's talk about financial modeling for small apartment investors. Knowing the numbers is super important for making smart choices with your money. Let's look at 3 important things you need to know. First up, net operating income, or NOI. Think of this like a report card for your building. You find it by subtracting all the costs of running the building from the total rent you collect. So if you get £120,000 in rent and spend £40,000 on things like repairs and taxes, your NOI is £80,000. The higher the NOI, the more your building is worth. Next is cash-on-cash return. This shows you how hard your money is working for you. Divide the cash flow you get each year before taxes by the total cash you invested. Let's say you invest £100,000 and get £12,000 in cash flow every year. That's a 12% return. Lastly, we have the internal rate of return, or IRR. This is the big picture number. It shows your average yearly return over a long period, including the money you make from rent and when you sell the building. A 15% IRR means you're making good money in the long run. Remember, financial modeling isn't the same for everyone. Do your research and watch your investments grow. Happy investing.